Hey there, welcome back to my channel, friends. Today, I've got 5 fantastic faceless YouTube channel ideas for you to consider. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have the ever-popular DIY and crafts channel. This is a great idea if you're handy with tools and materials. By sharing your knowledge and skills, you can build a loyal following in no time. Next, why not create a cooking tutorial channel? Whether you specialize in comfort food or gourmet dishes, there's an audience out there just waiting to learn from you. Plus, who doesn't love watching someone else cook? Third on the list is a fashion and style advice channel. If you have a keen eye for trends and know how to put together a great outfit, this could be your ticket to YouTube stardom. Share your fashion tips and tricks with the world. Fourth, consider starting a fitness and wellness channel. Whether you're a personal trainer or just an avid gym goer, you can inspire others to lead healthier lives through your videos. Finally, why not try your hand at travel vlogging? If you're always on the go or love exploring new places, share your adventures with others on your channel. You might just inspire someone else's next trip. So there you have it, 5 great faceless YouTube channel ideas to get started. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this one.